all set up.
What's up from Golden, Colorado? We're going to Blue Lakes. We've got Matt driving, thank God, for once in my life I don't have to drive. And look who's in the back. What's up, Ben?
What up?
All the way from sunny Texas.
It's fucking hot there.
All right, so we're gonna make this drive. It's like an hour and 45 minutes. And then we're gonna get camp set up and see how smoky it is out there, because I got intel on the wrong Blue Lakes. Guy I asked was in, the guy I asked was living in Silverton, which is on the complete opposite side of the state. And I was like, man, it sure does look nice and crisp out there. That's because he doesn't even live in the same area. So we'll check in when we get back and start setting up camp. Greetings from Blue Lakes in Breckenridge, Colorado. Got here about 30 minutes ago. Pretty easy to set camp up. We got grill. Matt's got his tent over here. Got a cool baby squirrel in the back. I don't know if you can see that guy. That's got a cool cameo. Matt's got his tent. We got our tent here. We actually were able to park directly here, so we don't have to hike in with any of our weight. We can just backpack up with less weight. And the cool part about this is check out the amazing view. As you can see on the other side of the lake here, there's a happy couple that just got married a few minutes ago. Up here, bordering us on the north side, is beautiful Quandary Peak. There's the summit up there, if you can see all the way up. There's a little, see that car driving? We're at about 11,500 feet here, so that is just over 14,000. So even though it doesn't look like that much elevation gain, that is a lot of elevation gain. So we got some pretty amazing views here, guys. You can't see, but over here, if you kind of go down this road that we're parked in right here, we're parked over here. If you kind of drive down this 4x4 road, there's an amazing waterfall that we're going to go check out. So anyways, we're going to have some food, enjoy the afternoon, and as we enjoy the afternoon, you guys enjoy the B-roll. We'll check back in a bit later.